Good morning, YouTube. This is Jeff with Camp Base, and we're out working on the GTX. Today we're going to pull the motor out and the transmission. We've got it up on our Quickjack, and consensus is we like it. We like the Quickjack. We got it just on the first latch there, haven't fully extended it, and we are on a dirt, but it is pretty level, and we've got some carpet down here. So to me, I think it's pretty safe. I don't have any concerns about that. The engine, the hood's off. We've taken all the bolts out. Engine is ready to be lifted. We've got to go get a engine hoist, but we're going to lift it out, and so shortly this will be out of here. Take a look. I removed the oil from the 4-speed, and here's the plug. It looks hairy. No, that's metal filings on the end of it. So, and definitely say transmission's probably totally shot. 4-speed is probably done. So we'll get the engine out later on and probably take a look, take these valve covers off, take a look at them. I want to double check my matching numbers that are down here on this side. All right, that's it. That's your update for today, YouTube. Please like us and follow us, and y'all have a great day.